In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze rows in Google Sheets. This is a particularly handy feature that allows you to keep certain rows visible while you scroll through the rest of your spreadsheet. It's especially useful if you're working with large data sets and you need to keep headings in view for easy reference. So, let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to determine which row or rows you would like to keep visible at the top of your sheet, whether it's just the header row or perhaps a few rows with critical information. Selecting the right one is key. Simply click on the number of the row on the far left side of your sheet that you want to remain visible. This will highlight the entire row, indicating that it's selected and ready for the next step. Next, direct your attention to the menu at the top of your screen. Here, you're going to find and click on the option labeled View. This is where Google Sheets organizes features related to the overall display of your spreadsheet, and it's conveniently located in the same line as File, Edit, and so on. As you click on View, a drop-down menu will appear. Look for the Freeze option on this menu. Hover over it with your cursor, and you'll notice that it expands to reveal a few more specific freezing choices. These options are designed to give you flexibility depending on your needs, whether that's freezing just one row, multiple rows, or none at all. Now, because you've already selected a specific row to freeze, you will click on Up to Row Number, with the number signifying the row you've chosen. This command essentially tells Google Sheets to keep all rows above, and including your selected row, visible at the top of the spreadsheet. With this, you have completed the freezing process. And there you have it. Your selected rows are now securely frozen. You'll notice as you scroll down that the frozen row remains at the top of the spreadsheet, acting as a guide no matter how much information you need to sift through. This visual anchor can be incredibly useful, keeping labels or key information always in sight, which can be a lifesaver during data-heavy tasks. This simple trick enhances how you interact with data and can add a layer of efficiency to your workflow. If you ever want to unfreeze the row, simply retrace your steps. Go back to the View menu, access the Freeze options, and select No Rows to return everything to normal. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this guide on freezing rows in Google Sheets helpful. Don't forget to give it a try during your next data management session and see how it can simplify your experience.